sa kanya.
We got the other one.
Oh, look. Daddy made some hash brown. Hash brown. Oh. Yahoo!
No, not even.
No, like this, Jelana. Oh.
Let me look around.
Okay, Grandma, fine. Where's Uma? Ask Grandma. Ask Grandma. Grandma daw ni, san si Uma? Have Grandma find it. Don't say anything. No, go. Don't show it to Grandma. Where's Uma?
No, not now. Right here.
$5 lang yan eh, oh, di ba? Pumunta kami sa Target. Isa ayaw siyang bilhan. Isa lang.
Lahat ng laruan nasa kanya na lahat.
Oo nga. Oo pag pupunta kami sa store, I have that. I have that. I have that.
I want to buy more of this.
Oh, you want to buy more of that? Ask Grandma.
No, you. We have
Ano
some.
bumili?
No, I want to buy more of that.
Say please.
Please?
You have to always say please, anak.
I will take you.
And then kiss Grandma now.
Thank you, Mama.
Wala na si Grandma, di na nakabangon.
Thank you, Mama. I love you.
Naks. Marunong mambola.
Help me.
Baby, did you already eat, or we want to eat? Are you hungry yet?
Yeah.
You want a hash brown?
I
Want a hash brown when they come out?
Did you eat your mac and cheese last night? Did she eat her mac and cheese? Yeah.
You want that one?
Yeah.
And the hash brown. Okay, we still got.
Okay, what did
We'll
it?
go to orange here. I'll pull the orange out. And we got potatoes.
Pupunta kayo sa Costco, Mother.
Ano bibigyan ko?
Yung yogurt. Kung pupunta kayo sa business center yun eh. Yung yogurt, okay sa inyo yun. So, bili kayo.
It's a drinking one.
Yan yung iniinom. Kung pupunta kayo. Gisingin mo na Sabi niya maaga kayo.
Mama, look.
Uho.
Look. Mom.
You have to heat it up, Dad. We'll wait for Jade so they can... I know, but I'm hungry.
Well, I have bacon coming. That's low carb.
Yeah, I know, so.
No cheese.
Can I eat that one, though?
That's low carb.
That's low carb.
No cheese.
Look at oranges are healthy.
Healthy.
Ano?
No.
And they're cold. Oh,
No cheese.
Gising mo, Ate Dong.
No, let me pay.
Sige na.
Go wake up, Ate Dong. And Grandma is gonna buy you like that. Nina! Tumakbo naman siya agad, oh. Sugal ka.
Arctic Thunder. July 20 and 21st, you're going to be here?
Yeah, make sure it's Saturday.
Oh,
Mama, okay.
girls thing.
I did okay. I did okay. I did okay. Tartan. Tartan. I want to teach. I want to be hot. I want to teach.